What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the build again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Yes, today, my project today, before I tell you about that, let me just tell you. Did you hit that notification bell? Did you hit that like button? Hit that notification bell and hit that like button. It's right here. It's right here. It is right there. Go and subscribe to your boy. What's taking you so long? Today's project is I'm going to show you how you could turn anything and make it look designer. I got some $20 beach towels from Walmart. I had them for a while, but now I'm finna show you how to turn this into some real life drip, some real life designer type stuff that people are gonna stop you, ask you about, and everything. So we gonna make these $20 beach towels look like a $500-600 jacket. So let's get into this project. Let's go. So today, what you're gonna need for this project, you're gonna need your lining piece. You're gonna need a new zipper. You're gonna need some rib knit fabric. You're gonna need your fabric, and you're gonna need your pattern piece, whatever you're gonna use, and you're gonna need your threads, measuring tape, whatever you want to use. So that's what we're gonna use to make this jacket or vest or whatever like that. So let's get into this project, and watch me work. So now we have to make the pockets. You gotta line your pockets up to make sure that they're even and where you want to place them at, because it's very important. So this is how I do mine. Now we're about to cut the lining. We're just gonna repeat the steps the same as we did when we cut the body out. So let's go, watch me work. Okay, so we back at the sewing machine now. This is the inner lining piece, so I had to cut it. So you have to cut the inner lining, because if you measure the inner lining piece on the lapels, I believe, the same distance, it would be too much fabric. So you have to cut it, and then you have to replace it with the color match of the jacket on the inside. So it will look like that when you're done. As you can see, it's all sewn down. Now, we got to get back to the table and pin and sew the rest of the line. So as you can see, we got all the pieces now. Everything that's supposed to be cut and sewn right now. Now we got to pin and put everything together. So that's what I'm about to do. As you can see, the body is just pinned together. So we're gonna sew this around, and then we will add the sleeves after that. Then the lining, so forth and so forth, zipper. So now we're about to go to the sewing machine and just sew it. Sewing the sleeves together, you want to sew them wrong side like this, because then when you get done, you're gonna flip them inside out. So you want them to look like that. So as you can see, hit it with that straight stitch, then I hit it with the zigzag stitch to really lock it in. So then you'll flip it inside out. That's what we're looking like. Okay, so now we got everything, all the body panel pieces sewed together. The next step into doing this is the rib knit waistband that I made. I didn't show y'all that, but that'll be for another video. And I made the rib knit cufflinks that I could show y'all, you know, in another video as well. But my main point is to show you how to actually attach these joints, you know. So, you know, you'll take the cufflink and the sleeve, so you want to go in the wrong direction like that. So you'll take it like that, and you'll put it like that, and pin it all the way around, and then sew. And then when you're done, you'll flip. So since I showed y'all that, I'm gonna pin it, then I'm gonna take it to the sewing machine, both arms, and then I would sew that down. And I'll show you how you pin the waistband and show that too. So, okay then. White lines on the street, silent with your beat. Hey, 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 come on, mama. Come on, come on, come on, come on, mama. Hey, oh, you 11 out of 10, we on cloud nine. Okay, the jacket is done. It looks phenomenal. I think so. Hope you think so too. But man, if you like it, please comment below. And I'll keep dropping them bangers for you. Okay? So no further ado, hit you with the B-roll.
Get the bands off. Need to get my fans off. She know that I'm a handful, but she can't keep her hands off. You know I want the Bentley coupe. You know I want the Lambo. You know I want the Benz too. So I gotta move fast though. They know a young 222. Got good in my hair long. All eyes when I step in the room. Took a bitch, then I ran off. Show a nigga about to stand tall. I don't shop at the damn mall. And I'm lit like a light bulb. I could probably fuck your grandma. She want the pretty P. I go off on the Benji beat. I got shirts from out Italy. Get them free or I get them cheap. And it feel like a penalty. You a squill, you a little league. All my real niggas feeling me. If you real, then remember me, nigga. Need to get these bands off. Need to get my fans off. She know that I'm a handful, but she can't keep her hands off. You know I want the Bentley coupe. You know I want the Lambo. You know I want the Benz too. So I gotta move fast though.
Daddy cat walking with the brim down low. Smoking on gas, got me moving real slow. Talk shop now, get the moves on ghost. Man's not hot, but the boy too cold. You know what it is, you don't need a full scoop. Shawty wanna ride like a little deuce coupe. Damn, I came up with the gang who knew. Young guys, that's Benny plus 222. Made a hit record, now her mama tryna shoot. Said she want my last name, now she want the juice. I been on 5 since 993. Same time frame, now you niggas finna lose. Cash in my pocket. Walk, walk. Dead man walking. Walk, walk. Told you we don't shop up at the mall, but we been a hot topic. Black boy Benji avatar, still kicking with my battle scars. Couch surfing, working extra hard. Crowd surfing in a cookie jar. Young nigga, grown man fitted. If you ain't about it, better get with it. I'm whipping work when I walk. If you in my lane, use a op.
Need to get these bands off. Need to get my fans off. She know that I'm a handful, but she can't keep her hands off. You know I want the.
So, what did y'all think about that project? Can you believe them used to be some Walmart tiles? But now that is drip-tastic. That might be a new word, drip-tastic. I'm going to coin the phrase now. But, hey, if you love it, if you hate it, drop your boy a comment. Really, I had a lot of fun doing that project. I appreciate it that y'all keep showing me so much love. And I'm going to keep coming out with these bangers just for you. Never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Boss. I'm out until the next time.